This is a new pressure foot I got for my sewing machine. I wanted to show you guys because it makes a flower and it's just a huge foot. But you pick any zigzag stitch, lower your feed dogs, and this is what happens. Then, if you want to do an outside, loosen your screw, raise your pressure foot, and move everything, which is kind of tricky, all at once, which I didn't quite get. Okay, let's see if I can do it anyway. Okay, then you can adjust your stitch length for the outside petals. And then when you're done, you have this really cool little flower. How's that? It's even better when your machine doesn't skip stitches and you actually hit the center of the flower. But oh my God, I love it so much.